makita masyado.
But sorry guys, you cannot see it.
Oh, that's the cruise, babe. Ito na nga, na-videohan ko na. Wow, oo. Ayan.
That's why you saw the red and blue one. That one is Mickey Mouse. Yes.
Hello guys, dito na kami sa port. Ayan na, kitang-kita na namin si Disney Adventure. Medyo malayo pa sa inyo. So, punta na kami doon. Kaya na, Jay, let's go.
Go with me, please.
Gana, go with me. Oo nga eh, ako naman nag-ano. That's the Disney Adventure, guys. Yeah, it's super laki, oh. Look at that. Smile, smile. Yan, oh. Yan si Bibi. Super laki niya. Dami mga nakadak dito, pero baba yung gamit natin. Ang dami nakadak, pero siya yung pinakamalaki talaga. Go, babe! Hello guys! Na-drop na namin yung aming luggage. 3 luggages. We have 3 luggages. And then, dito na kami sa check-in. Ito si Pri. Excited na kami. 12 o'clock. Let's go to the 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Ay, okay ka lang. Ako na ito isarapan. Nahihirapan ka? Meron kong crocs dyan mamaya. Hello! Yay! Ito na. Sakay na. Hello! Hi! Wow! Wow! High five ka ni Mickey! Hand ni Mickey! Oh, high five ka din dyan, anak! High five! Hello! Hi! Go! Smile! 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 Dati hindi kita eh. Yan. Ayan o, yung ship nila. Wow, let's go. Dito na, baby. Hindi na, okay lang, baby. Go, baby, go. Dito, mauna ka. Hello. Go. Una ka, baby, dalian mo. Hello, guys. Nakapasok na kami. Nako, high five, high five. High five. Yeah, doon nakapasok na kami na doon sa dito na kami. Ayan si Daddy, nagche-check-in na siya. Doon ka na, baby.
Morning.
Knock, you go there. Hi. Smile.
1:30 nasa.
Oo. Oo. Ang bagal lumakad ng anak ko, mahal. Bagal lumakad, mahal. Hello, guys. Hello. Dito na kami. Dito na kami sa boarding ng Disney. Tapos na kami sa lahat. Tapos na kami sa lahat. Ito, papakita namin sa inyo. Ayan na. Ayan yung cruise. Simula doon hanggang doon. Hanggang dyan. Rita, Bria, do you see? Ayan o, hanggang doon sa taas. Super laki niya. Let's go, baby. Follow daddy, okay? Ito na, punta na kami. Punta na kami dito. Yay! Anak, go. Anak, punta ka kay daddy ng konti. Come here, baby, come here. Ayan yung Disney Cruise. Ah, dito na ako. Ayan na, oh. Super laki niya, guys. Oh, nakakatuwa naman. Baby! Ay, dada. Oh, ayun na, oh. Kitang kayo dito. Inano ko na sa kabilang side. Papasok na kami. Papasok na kami sa cruise. Thank you. Let's go! Wow! Let's go na. Ayan na, daddy. Mauna ka, daddy. Nak, Bria. Wait lang. Go first, anak. Go first. Smile, ah. Hi. Thank you. Wow. This is it. We're here inside. Daddy, oh, let's take a picture there, oh. Adventure. Wow, that's San Francisco Street. Agad-agad pala, San Francisco. No? Wow. Look at this. So big, babe. Oh. daming elevator, guys. Oh. Ang bango-bango. Smells so nice, right? Smells like new ship. Bagong-bago tong ship na to, guys. So, napakabango niya. Ito yung badge ako. Ayan. Oh, look at that, baby. Oh. Bakit ganun? Wala. Oh my God. Papa, bakit wala akong makita mga on-board fan? Hindi. Oh, lounge. Oh, yung lounge. Oo. Ayan yung baby, diba, baby boo? Diyan si Bria. Let's schedule. Hindi, wala tayong schedule. Dahil gagawin pa lang natin. No. Gelatin. Okay, later. Enchanted Summer. Ito yung kala Elsa. Let's get some food. You want rice? Do you want rice?
Lang rice.
You like that? Ito beef, ito pork, ito chicken. Dalawa? How about ano nak? Daddy, you like this? Oh, the ribs. Oh. Small lang ako dito, Daddy. So it's a pork chop, right? Andun ba? Ayun o. How about that one? Carrot, lemon chicken. Daddy, lemon chicken. This one oh. Hi! Hello guys. I get this one. I got a dumpling. Meron pa dun marami. Tapos na kami kumain sa Enchanted Summer. Sarap na sarap si Daddy sa tomato soup. Napunta kami sa Oceaneers Club. Wow! This is the Oceaneers Club, babe! Daddy, i-register mo si Bria, Daddy. Yeah, open house today. This is, you can play here. Ay, si Disney! Si Mickey Mouse! Hi! I want to register.
Right now you're gonna see a charge for $25. It's because you have the magic card. Return it the last night of the cruise and then we'll give you that money back, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Salamat. Thank you. Hi! Wow! Hi! Oh, okay, follow. Oh! Wow! 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 Oh, you see them? Oh! Hindi na, dito.
Do you want a picture?
Yes, yes. Let's take a picture, baby. Yeah. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you, Minnie. Minnie. I'm sorry, Minnie pala. Wow! Go ride, baby. Wow! You will knock your ride. Go. Gumagalaw ba, Dad? Hindi. Wow! I'm super happy ni Bibi. Go na! Go to the CR. So you will know the CR. Oh, put your hand there. You show it to them sa video. Wait lang. Oh, you put it there. Inside. Go! Go inside. Wow! Get the tissue, babe. Always do that. Sige, pull it up. Pull. Go, pull it up. Oh, mahirap baka ito? Ito. Ang mahirap pala, Dad. Yung mga bata hindi kaya. Go! Galing ni Brie. Ayan. Okay lang yan, hindi ba ano yan? Ako naman, Dad. Oh, for kids yan si Dad, no? Oo. Ang galing, di ba? Oh, let's go na, baby. Play slide. Go, you try it. Whoa. Yay. Go, babe. Go, baby, hi. Go, baby. Go. Go. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. You can hear me? Sure? Oh. Nak, you play here, oh. Ito. This one. Ito pataas, baby, oh. Look at this. Oh, paano ba to? Ayan, ayan. Hindi ba? Akala ko na ano siya. Ay, hindi. Nakaliga na. Dito, dito. That's Mr. Potato. Dad. Dad. Where's Daddy? Nak, picture ka muna doon, Dad. Oh. Daddy. Oh, nak.
Over Korea, you tap your
Lagyan mo sa bag.
You tap your watch like that.
Tap your watch, go! Stand in front of the screen. Yan, okay, go. Okay, tap to begin. Stand still, stand still. Ayun, ayun, nakita mo na, yung snow. Yan, ice magic. Yan na. You ready? Go, ah. Oh! Si Bria sa loob. Hello, baby. Ayan. Daddy, turuan mo nga siya dito, Daddy. Wala ba? Ah, wala lang yan, anak. Doon ka sa loob. Ayun, oh, nag-Spider-Man siya, oh. Oh, doon tayo, baby. Oh, di ba? Oo. Wow! It's moving pag ginanon. It's moving, Dad.
Kailangan niya
Ah, gailan? Ganun ba? Oh! Gaganyanin mo, oh. Oh, sige, dyan ka lang. Wait lang. Baby! Punta na kami sa room, guys. Sabi nila 1:30 daw ready na yung room namin. So, we're going to our room. Kita na din nakalagay. Starboard. Oh, be careful ba na? 13390. Oh, baby! Wow! That's the Imagination Garden. Ay, hindi. Yan pala yung ano, yung... Nakita mo, babe? Wow! 133, Daddy. Woo! We're going to our room now. Oo, mahaba to, Daddy. We're going to our room. When you will decorate your door, babe? Sorry. Kaya pala sabi ko, di ko nakita. Wala pa yung luggage. Okay. Okay. Ayun. Let's go. Oh, thank you. Wow. Wow. This is our room. Daddy, yung may sticker pa yung room natin. Hindi tayo, sila yung naglagay nun, yung mga bago tayo. Nak, this is our room! You like our room? We have a balcony. Oh, yung baby mo. Daddy, you wear your, yung ID lace? Wow, that's the toilet. Oh, it's very small, pero ang cute-cute. Oh. Nak, you turn it on. Wow!
The bathtub.
That's the room. This is the CR. Siya, ayan. Ito, meron ganito. Hand soap. Drinkable tap water. So, pwede tayo mag-drink dyan. And this, tissues. The towel is very Disney.
Guys,
That's the bathroom. Wow.
I'm gonna shower like
Wow, ang laki ng bathroom ni. You're going to shower like that? Grabe naman ng mag-shower. Ito kami, guys. So, so ito. May body lotion. Ayan, ang gusto ko, body lotion. Mickey Mouse bar soap, bath soap, towels. Okay. Yan, mga ganito. Tissues, towels. And this is the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Tapos meron dito. So, ayan, maayos siya. Oh, malaki yung shower area nila, malaki.
your reaction is so good.
Oh, that's Ariel! you didn't show them. It's Ariel team. It's under the sea nga pala, Ariel kami team. This adventure.
So,
Hmm.
why do is there stickers?
Hi. Oh, nandito pa kami sa Marina Bay eh. Kaya pa? Andito pa tayo sa Marina Bay eh. Dali yung post, Gabi. So, andito pa kami. Ang laki ng balcony namin. Oh, 'di ba? So, ang laki niyan, guys. And this one, it's very hard kaya hindi mabubuksan ng bata eh. Hindi talaga siya mabubuksan ng bata kaya okay na okay, safe na safe for kids ang balcony. So, ayan, meron siyang mga saksakan. Yung mga saksakan. USB and Type-C. We have, naman, blower. Ito, dito ko order, Daddy. Mga order to. Breakfast, phone, and the smart TV. Yeah. Matignas family! Matignas family. Welcome aboard! Matignas family. Daddy! So, ito. Mga switches. Ang daming mga charging port. So, this is a connecting room. So, meron ditong pero nakalak naman yan. So, hindi mo mabubuksan yan. So, ito yung batcha coffee. This is the kettle. And the mugs. Ito naman yung kanilang safety. Safety.
Put magnets now.
Hindi pa anak. Ginaayos pa nila eh. Pwede ka maglagay ng mga This is the ref. Pwede ka maglagay dyan. Yes, of course, you can go there. Ito, may mga cabinets pa dito. Later, baby. Ito yung batcha coffee. Ang cute-cute naman. Ito yung mga nila. Diba?
Which one is my
TWGT, tsaka batcha coffee.
Mommy, which one is my bed?
Jumping. Naku, huwag masyadong mataas. Yung ulo mo. You like the theme? It's Ariel.
Guys,
You like it? Be careful. Hello, guys. Goofy's here. We're following Goofy.
Hello.
Whoa, that's Pluto.
We're coming right on through this way.
Pluto. It's Pluto. That's Pluto, babe. Yay! That's Pluto. You go to Pluto first. I see Daisy. That's Daisy Duck. Yeah, do you see Pluto, babe? And Daisy. Woo!
we're so glad you're here. Oh, goody.
Kasi dapat tumatayo ka eh. Wow! Spider-Man! Welcome to our
Okay, focus stampede yan.
Opo. Hi! We're here. Whoa! Bria! Whoa! Yay! Wow! Go! Elsa! It's Elsa! Oh! Splash! Splash zone!
Iron cycle.
Ayan yung Iron Cycle test run. Sobrang ang ganda dito, guys, oh. Look at that. Wow. Oo. Nako, baby.
Is this even a dream?
Yeah, is it like a dream, no? It's like a dream, no? You happy? You're so happy.
Go here.
Oh. When you go...
OMG.
Oh! Oh no, wow. What are you seeing? Nako. Oh, ganda na damit ni Bri, oh.
Guys, this is not free.
That's your magic, my band. Yung ano, band mo yan.
Guys, this is not.
Para sa Oceaneers Club yan, guys.
This is not free, okay?
Okay.
Remember what I said. It's not free.
This is not free. Very good. Yan ka, diyan ka magsuswim. Diyan mag-swim si Bri. Wow! Oh, baby. Oh, guys. Oh, tas ito, slide na malaki. Wow, hindi pa umandaran ako. We're not moving yet. Doon tayo sa kabila, baby. Tara. Kaya. So hot na rin ka na para makaalis at matapos na tayo. Gusto lang ni daddy mag-picture. Baby. Go, baby. 1, 2, 3, go. Again, 1. Kunin. Ah! Again. Ah, si daddy naman.
Lapit ka konti.
Go. Okay. Si Bri, lalapit ako na. Isa pa. Si Bri, go. Go. Wow. Okay. Hello guys. Ito, ganda. Sobrang nalilito kami. Naliligaw kami actually. Dahil ano siya? Ano siya yung ano? Masyadong malaki. Sobrang laki. Ha? Hindi ko nga din alam, daddy. Sobrang laki ng ano nung... Oo nga. Oh, nako, punta ka doon. Oh.
So ano yung ginawa natin?
Mandatory safety drill. So, required lahat umattend nun. Ayan, natinanggal na. Ay, alis na tayo na. We're going to sail. Oh, go anak. Hello guys. Nako, parang feeling ko dito lang kami maglalagay ng anak ko. Oo. Naku, ang dami-daming tao dito sa Oceaneers Club after ng master drill. Nandito na kami. Guys. Brianna is playing Mr. Potato. Go, babe! Dami yan ng friend. Go, fix it! Go, babe! 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Whoa! Whoa! Again! Wow! Galing ah! 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 Go! Ayun na yun, anak! The other one is there! Baby! The other one is there! Go, get him! Go! Naka yun, orange! Yeah, you can... No, don't take that, babe. Hello, nagda-decor kami ng si Bria. Hi,
Actually,
Bria.
I'm not gonna decorate.
Yan, ganyan,
This
daddy.
is I'm gonna decorate that. Actually, I'm gonna decorate two. One for daddy and one for me.
Yeah, that's our magnet, right? Si daddy, hindi namin abot eh.
Ako na.
Palagay mo sa dulo, daddy.
Ayan, okay yan.
Sa dulo, daddy.
Ayan, oo.
Sa kabila, daddy. Ayun, sa taas.
Ay, kami naman ni daddy.
Okay naman ni daddy. Teka lang,
No,
ano?
it's okay. Kuha kayo ni Juan.
Lagay mo dito yung Philippines na.
Hindi
Yan.
ako na.
Dito, sa gitna.
Yan, gitna. Kita mo si Philippines.
Sayan. Sa Sayan.
Thank you.
Best one.
Yes, best one daw, Bri.
Wow, thank you.
Nahatak talaga yan.
Okay. Wala na akong ano, magnet. Okay, wow! You done? Hello guys! Ayan sila, video sila, oh. Oh, they are sitting down. Wow, nag-sale na kami. Hi! Hello! Oh, wait lang. Hi! Diyan lang, anak, diyan lang.
Ano tawag ulit dito?
Hanas
Oh,
Grill.
Hanas Grill. So, may mili lang kayo kung
Guys, right here,
burger,
no, Hanas Grill.
kung
Burger,
burger, hotdog, french fries.
One.
Yan. Tapos kung anong klaseng burger or kung anong klaseng hotdog, makakapili rin kayo. Yan. Tapos piniprepare na nila.
Hello guys, andito kami ngayon. We're eating. Eating kami eh. Nasa si Bri-Bri. Nasaan ka? Nakikita ka ba? Ayun. Sorry, nakikita makita. Dito kami sa Hanas Grill.
You get me Fanta?
Yeah, I got you Fanta. Ito yung pagkain namin. Pulled pork, fries, hotdog sandwich, Cabrilla, and Daddy Classic Burger.
Pray.
Hello guys! Dinner time! Dinner time! Navigators Club kami for first night.
Wow, ganda ng setup ha.
This
Dito
is
ka
our dinner.
sa gitna.
Oh, that's your drawing ka na. Dito ka. Oh. May mga bayad yan. Yan yung menu.
Ano yung walang bayad? Ano yun?
Bakit may bayad?
You ask.
Oh. I don't know. Parang sabi niya menu, teka lang daw.
Celebration to begin!
Woo! Yay!
Everyone is here, travelers and navigators from far and near. Oh, it's take a trip and it's more.
Oh!
We've never been there before. Such a wonderful chance to say,
Oh, Pinoy yan anak, Pinoy yan.
it's not so strange anymore. Let's go explore. I am honored to be your host and welcome you all to
May tomato
the
soup again.
Navigators Club.
Yeah!
Gather tales on
Pila yung salmon sa
whether you sell solo or trip.
Daddy, dalhin mo nga mamaya yung ganun.
Ocean perhaps from your
mga
love.
Pilipino.
So let's take a trip.
Hello guys! Dinner kami sa Navigators Club.
Just a more. Such a marvelous school. There's so much we can do. There's oh gosh, it sure is great to be in the Navigators Club.
Ah, cellphone.
Trip and explore. You'll be never been there before. Set sails all out to your towns. That world's just too big to ignore. Let's go
Oh!
Oh my God, Filipino!
Wow! Thank you.
Hello guys! So, kausap namin yung kumakanta kanina. Ayan siya oh. Ay, si Daisy! Daddy! Nak! That's Daisy! Hello Daisy! Say hello Daisy ka! Hello Daisy! Hi! Let's take a picture! Daddy! Wow! Bye! Ganito. Hi guys!
That's our drink for tonight.
Milk! It's fresh milk! Yeah!
Wow.
Wow! Kahit hindi mo sabihin, milk ang binibigay.
your time tonight. Yeah! That makes us so happy to hear. We wanted this place to be one where you and your family and friends could come and make memories that will last a lifetime. And how about a rousing Navigators Club cheer and round of applause for all of your incredible servers? They
Woo!
are truly the best and make the club the place to be when you're dining at sea.
Napakaswerte natin dito sa lugar natin. Hello guys, ang lapit namin sa mga performances nila. Yan na yan, dali nalilibang siya.
We see the sights
Wow! Wow!
and can be found. And every
Ay! Dati na mo si Brian. Videoan mo. Videoan mo. Wow! Nak!
that's more than enough.
Woo!
It's the friends we gather when we travel. That's what I love.
Na kayo, punta na dun!
Alright, navigators, turn those ships wheels.
Wow! Wow! Hey! Gano'n mo na! Gano'n mo na, kali! Wow! No! Nak, dali! Go! Go! Wow! Dali na! Go! Go! Woo! Yay! Wow! Yay!
Navigators out there,
They're real experts. And lifetime VIP members of the Navigators Club.
let's take a trip and explore. We've never been there before. With a friend like us, no
Woo!
reason to hide. So let's take a trip and explore. Let's go exploring. We're racing, we're soaring. With every meander, we find our way.
Wow! Pag ganito.
The world's just too big to ignore. Go explore. Go explore. Go explore. We explore. Go explore. Let's go explore.
Yay! Woo! Where is it? Hey, where did it go?
Maybe in the sea already.
Oh no! Where is it now?
Okay, I give you see one more time, okay? What's the color? Blue. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! It's gone again! Oh, it's a
And now
magic!
I bring them back, okay?
Oh, bring that back.
Yeah. I bring them from the sea, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Wow!
See, it's blue color, right?
Yeah! Oh, thank you! Oh, nagbago isip ni Daddy. Nagpunta kami sa labas. Tignan muna daw namin yung labas. And it's so windy. Sobrang hangin. My goodness. Tignan mo. Wow. Noy, tingnan mo naman. Dad, grabe. Oh, ang ganda.
Sarap sa balcony.
Sarap doon, oh, sa balcony natin. Nakatuwa. nakakatuwa. Hindi mo mararamdaman talaga yung alon, no? Pag naka-steady ka lang, no, Daddy? Halimbawa, nasa CR ka, medyo naramdaman ko eh. Nandito kami sa San Francisco Street. Hello, guys. Hindi yan not real. Gawa-gawa lang nila.
Nakakatuwa. Sa Japan kasi ganyan.
Ito yung edge. Ito yung sa
So, ito yung hindi totoo.
Hindi yan totoo. Hindi yan totoo, Dad. Eh, pati ito. Pati yung mga ano. Oh, di ba? Yung mga newspaper.
Ay, hindi. Papel talaga siya.
Papel. Hindi. Ah, matigas lang.
Ewan ko.
Oh, ang dami mga interactive ano dito. Mahaba pila dyan, Daddy. Dito na tayo, Daddy. Ito yung edge. Ito yung parang youth, mga youth na. Yan yung mga parang Oceaneers Club pero pang matatanda ng konti.
Hindi tayo pwede
Para kasi,
pumasok.
hindi open house eh.
Ay, ayan ba yung
Twins.
mga PS?
Yes, yung mga twins yan. Daddy, picturean kita dito. Sa noodle. Hi! Ayan ang Baymax Cinemas. So, ayan o. Hindi pa kasi to nakikita ni Bria, Daddy. Ayan, bukas tayo. Diyan tayo magpapapicture kay Baymax tomorrow. Yeah, oh. Ito lahat to free, guys. Free to lahat. Lahat ng mga ano nila. Ayan. So, may mga line lang ng konti. Pero syempre, ganun talaga. Ayan, lahat yan free. Ito na to, bubble game. Let's try. Let's try the bubble game. Wala.
Go.
It's free lahat yung free eh.
Okay, try this now.
Hotkey card. Oh, credits. Ay, totoo ba? Go, Daddy. Yes, guys. So, ayan. Ito yung bar nila dito. Cafe. Hindi bar. So, ayan. Yan yung cinema. Baymax Cinemas. So, pwede kang manood dyan ng kung ano. Oh, yeah. Ito yung hinahanap namin. Ayan, oh. So, wait lang. CR muna ko. Yeah. Baymax Cinemas. Let's see. Hoppers. What time? 10? Hoppers tayo. Push. Yes. We're going to watch a movie. This one in here. Oh, tayo, Daddy. Dami tayo. Hello. Ay, pinahili ka na eh. Hello. Wow, okay man. Oh, wow. Very good daw. We give one to others. Yay. Ano ba isa? Ayan na. Doon sa kabila na. It's more ano. Sabi, love it. Oh, ayan. Give one. Yay. Very good. The other one, anak. Di dyan, anak. Doon, dito.
Dalawa pala to.
Yan, dito. Isa. Yan, okay. Okay. Oh, ito, give one. Oh, wow. Wow. Dito, baby, oh. Yeah, dito, sa Tiger. Yan. And another one there. Yeah. Only one na. Baka dalawa. Ay, dalawa yan. Isa lang. This one. Yeah. Very good. Oh, the other one. Ayun pa, anak. Ayan. Go. Oh. Hello. Go. Yeah. Uy, take one daw. Get one. You want? Halika na. Ito. Dito, baby. Dito ba sa anak ko? Only one na. Only one, baby. Okay, green. Okay. Go. This one in here. Yeah. So pretty. Another one here. Ito. Dito mo lagay. Wow! Ayan pa dyan.
Ano?
Yeah, go, go, go.
Sabi
Dito na.
nun.
Ah. Ulo, no. Feel free to take a picture. Sabi lang. Ito na, sa kabila. Yan, give one. Wow. Wala lang. Wala siyang basket eh. Yan, give, very good. Walang basket to, baby. To, take one ka daw dito, nak. Ay, wala
Ay,
na.
dito.
Hindi. Ito yan, dito yan.
Dito.
Dito, dito. Oh.
So many, right?
So many. Oh, only one, baby. Only one, ha?
I will give it to Jumbo.
Okay, go. Wow. Oh, dito. Yan. Ito pa. Ay, sige na. Okay na yan. Take here. Oh, take here daw. You get one there. Hindi, anak. Hindi. Yan, okay. Dito, pixie dust. Dito mo lagay. Yan. Okay. Marami pa? Here, kaya mo?
Rest of this.
Wow. Ito, to, isa. Ay, ang cute naman nito. May standy pa, baby. Tignan mo.
I almost ran.
Wala na. Wala na. Only one na lang. Oh, okay. So, yung di na natin sila nabigyan.
I will give you
Bye-bye.
next time.
Next time.